So I was on Statistics Canada today and I was looking for information about the baby boom, that interesting time right after World War II where population rose for quite some time quite quickly and then it dropped off again. And I was trying to see if it's quadratic. But when I found the data from Statistics Canada here, it gave it to me all in one long row. And I want to put this into a spreadsheet. So when I copy and paste this and try to put that into my spreadsheet, things get a little awkward. So here I've got it copied to my clipboard. Let me go to my spreadsheet here and I'm going to paste my data. So it pasted it in okay. It's actually in individual cells like this. It also copied the formatting. So you know what? I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste special so that it doesn't copy into the formatting. There we go. I'm just going to clean this up. I'll delete this row here. We've got some extra spaces here in this. I was in the wrong spot. I'm just going to clean that up. There we go. Okay. So what we have is we have quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the year over and over and over again. But if I were to try to graph this, it's going across. And in spreadsheets, we really want to be going downward. So I'm going to show you a really cool tool. It's called transposing. So I want to find an empty spot in my spreadsheet. And I want to say equals transpose. Now, if any of you are musicians, you'd know what transpose means. What I want to do is I want to change it from rows to columns and columns to rows and vice versa. So all you have to do is give it the area you want to transpose. I can actually select the entire 2 rows here. And when I do that, it transposes it for me into columns instead of the rows that I had selected. Now the data inside here, I cannot manipulate it. I can't, for instance, delete this cell here. It's not letting me delete that information because it's coming from a formula where I transposed it. So if you are going to want to do any more cleanup or maybe remove some of the data items and stuff like that, what I recommend you do is I recommend you highlight what you just transposed, copy it, and paste special right on top, values only. And then now you have the actual data that you can go ahead, and I don't condone deleting data points. I'm just saying now it's actual data you can work with and not a transpose formula. All right, and that's how you can clean up some external data that came in as rows instead of columns.